am writing the question here on the screen. Listen carefully. Very good question. Your question is find the values of A and B. Right? Find the values of A and B if A power B is equal to B power A and A is equal to B cube such that A and B are positive integers. Right? A and B are positive integers. Your options are first option is A is equal to 5 root 5, B is equal to root 5. Second option is A is 3 root 3, B is root 3. Third option is A is 2 root 2, B is root 2. Fourth option is A is 6 root 6, B is root 6. Last option is none of these. None of these above answer options holds good whatever is given in the question. Again a very good question. Listen to this carefully, sir. They are saying that A power B is equal to B power A, and they are also saying that A is equal to B cube. Now if I substitute first option, A is equal to B cube will satisfy for every option. You can check it out later, sir. So the second condition what is given in the question will satisfy for every option. It is waste of usage. First option, A power B is equal to B power A. If I use A value 5 root 5 and B value root 5, 5 root 5 to the power of root 5 is equal to root 5 to the power of 5 root 5. Right? Root 5 to the power of 5 root 5. Now think logically. Can I say that, forget about the equal sign, we don't know whether they are equal or not, we are checking it. Can I say that A power mn is nothing but A power m whole power n? So this is of the form A power mn. So this can be written of the form A power m whole power n. I believe it is clear, sir. Whole power n. Now think again logically, sir. Everything is logical deductions. Root 5 whole power 5 means root 5 is written 5 times. That is the meaning of power 5. Root 5 is written 5 times, and this power root 5 I will write it as it is. Right? Power root 5 I will write it as it is. Why did I do like this? Can I say that root 5 into root 5 is 5. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. 5 into 5 is how much? 25. 25 root 5 whole to the power of square root of 5. This is your right side term. This term is 5 root 5 whole to the power of root 5. Observe carefully. Powers are same. Equate the base. Here the base is 5 root 5. Here the base is 25 root 5. Are they equal? Definitely they are not equal. First option is not satisfying. Same explanation whatever I gave it for my first option, second option also will not satisfy with the same explanation using the same analogy. That you should check it out later. Right? Using the same analogy whatever I used for first option, use it for second option. That also will not satisfy. Right? That also will not satisfy. That is the second option. Third option is A is 2 root 2, B is root 2. Let us check it out here, sir. A value is 2 root 2, B value is root 2. And it is said that I need to check whether A power B is equal to B power A. A value is 2 root 2. 2 root 2 to the power of root 2. And this side is root 2 to the power of 2 root 2. Use the same concept. Root 2 whole square to the power of 2. This becomes 2 power root 2. Here it is 2 root 2 power root 2. They both are not equal. Third option is also not correct. Ruled out. Fourth option similarly. A value is given as 6 root 6. A is 6 root 6. B is root 6. So A power B is equal to B power A is what I need to check it. A value is 6 root 6. 6 root 6 power root 6. Here it is root 6 power 6 root 6. Root 6 power 6 root 6 can be written as root 6 power 6 whole power root 6. Now root 6 whole square is nothing but 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. Root 6 whole square is nothing but 6. So it is 6 cube. 6 cube is nothing but 216. I believe that you are able to understand, sir. Or can I again say like this? Can I say like this? Root 6 power 2 is nothing but 6. So I got it as 6 cube. 6 cube to the power of root 6. 6 cube to the power of root 6. Here I got 6 root 6 to the power of 6 root 6. They are not equal. Fourth option is also incorrect. First, second, third, fourth, all are incorrect. Answer should be none of these. A beautiful question which uses the concept of indices so beautifully, sir. Today's class we are not interested in Surds. Today's class we are interested in indices. Last class we have completely, in fact, so many difficult questions we solved by using Surds. In our next class also we will take Surds. Today's class is on indices. We will take some beautiful questions. We will solve those beautiful questions. We will understand those beautiful questions. I believe that the concept for my students is extremely clear. Kindly comment in the live chat, sir. I want my students to comment in the live chat so that I will understand whether my students have understood it or not. See the next question, sir. Your next question is 1 into 2 into 4 plus 2 into 4 into 8 plus 3 into 6 into 12, and then it continues divided by 1 into 3 into 9, 2 into 6 into 8, 3 into 9 into 27, and then it continues again, whole to the power of 1 by 3, whole to the power of 1 by 3. This value I need to find. Very easy question. See here, numerator, if I take 1 into 2 into 4 whole to the power of 1 by 3 common factor, if I take that outside, if I take it outside, what I will be left with? This term is taken outside already, that is 1. Now think logically, sir. Think logically. 1 into 2 into 4 is 8. 8 is taken outside. That means this 8 is taken outside. You are left with how much? 2 into 4 you are left with. 2 into 4 is 8. That 8 I wrote it outside. Now 1 into 2 into 4, 8 is taken outside. Now again think logically. Can I write it like this? This is 3 into 2 is 6. 4 into 3 is 12. So 2 into 4 is 8. This 8 is taken outside, right? It is taken outside. You are left with 3 into 3 into 3, which is 27. 3 cube is left. It is written like that, it continues. Similarly, in the denominator, if I take the first term common factor, 1 into 3 into 9 whole power 1 by 3, use the same application, sir. If I use the same application, 1 into 3 into 9 is taken outside, so first term becomes 1. 1 into 3 into 9 is 27. 27 is taken outside, so this is 2 into 3. This is 9 into 2. Can I say that this 9 into 3, 27 is taken outside. You are left with 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. 8 is left out. Similarly, 27 is taken outside. 3 into 9, 27 is left out. And the same thing continues. Whole power 1 by 3. Numerator and denominator both are same, cancels. Power 1 by 3, power 1 by 3 get cancelled. You are left with, or instead of cancelling the power like that directly, 1 into 2 into 4 is 8. 8 power 1 by 3 is 2. 1 into 3 into 9 is 27. 27 power 1 by 3 is 3. Cube root of 27 is 3. 2 by 3 should be the answer. Satish Kumar, very good, sir. Very good. But the idea is to think in that way what you are thinking. In my previous question, A and B are integers, positive integers it is mentioned. But the answer option does not have positive integers, right? The answer option does not have positive integers. So, therefore, it might not satisfy none of these answers. Like it might satisfy none of these answer options. Very good, you are thinking in that way. See this question. Another similar kind of question like the way what we solved just now. Another similar kind of question. See this question, sir. 1 into 3 into 9, 2 into 6 into 18, 3 into 9 into 27, and then it continues. Whole thing divided by 1 5 25, 2 10 50, 3 15 75, and then it continues. Whole to the power of 1 by 3 again. This value I need to simplify. Similar kind of question like my previous question. First term, take the first term common. 1 into 3 into 9 I am taking common in the numerator. In the denominator 1 5 25 I am taking common, right? Now in the numerator here you are left with 1 plus 3 into 9, 27 is taken common factor. This can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Right, 9 into 3. 9 into 3 is taken outside. Sorry, 9 into 2 this is. 9 into 3, 27 is outside. You are left with 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 cube. Right, 2 cube. This is 1 cube. Similarly, 27 is outside. 9 into 3, this is 3 cube. And it continues. Similarly, your denominator is. First term is taken outside already. It is 1 or 1 cube. Second term, if I simplify it here, this becomes 2 in 5 into 25, 125 is taken outside. So this is 2 into 2 into 5. This is 5 into 5 into 10. Right? 5 into 5 into 2 in fact. 125 or 5 cube is taken outside. That 5 cube is nothing but this value of 5 into 5 into 5. You are left with 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 cube. Right? I am just splitting for your explanation purpose. Similarly, this 125, this is 3 into 5, and here it is 25 is 5 square into 3. 5 into 5 square is taken out, we are left with 3 cube. Everything else remains the same, and this term will cancel. Cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of 125 is 5. Answer is 3 by 5. I hope the idea is very, very clear, sir. Do not make it complicated by using some methodologies which will kill your time. Use a smarter approach and simplify it faster. Another beautiful question. Listen carefully. Another beautiful question. If 5 power a plus 2 power b plus 1 is equal to 189 and 5 power a plus 1 plus 2 power b minus 2 is equal to 633, where a and b belongs to positive integers. A and b belongs to positive integers. Find the value of a plus b. Find a plus b value. Find the value of a plus b is your question. Now listen carefully. Again, logical way of solving. Kindly do not use the methodologies of dividing one equation by the other equation and waste your time. Right? Kindly use a smarter approach and be faster in solving the problems. That is what ANC will teach you. That is what ANC students should be proud of, and you should implement that kind of methodologies. Now see here, A and B belongs to positive integers. That means a and b minimum values are 1, right? A and b will start with 1. Now suppose if I take this equation, if I put a value 1, think logically, this becomes 5 power 1 plus 2 power b plus 1 is equal to 189. So 2 power b plus 1 will become 189 minus 5. 189 minus 5 is 184. Now think logically, sir. Left hand side is 2 power something. Right hand side also should be 2 power something. Is 184 nothing but 2 power something? Yes. 184 can be written as 2 power something into something else. But I don't want these extra terms. It should be definitely expressed as 2 power something only. Can you express like this? No, you cannot. So this cannot be the value of a. A cannot be 1, right? A cannot take the value 1. Similarly, if I put a value 2, 5 square is 25. 25 plus 2 power b plus 1 is 189. So 2 power b plus 1 will be equal to 189 minus 25, which is 164. 164 is also not equal to 2 power something. It cannot be expressed as 2 power something. A value cannot be equal to 2 also. If I put a value 3, beautiful way of solving. 5 cube is nothing but 125. 125 plus b 2 power b plus 1 is 189. So 2 power b plus 1 will be 189 minus 125. It is 64. 64 is nothing but 2 power 6. Right? 2 power 6. 2 power b plus 1 is equal to 2 power 6. B plus 1 is equal to 6. So b value will be 5, right? B value will be 5. Now, if b value is 5, a value you are getting it as 3. A is 3, b is 5. A plus b 3 will be 8. A plus b will be 5 plus 3, 8. But before you conclude that a plus 3, a plus b is 5 plus 3, 8, just check these values. A is 5 and b is a is 3 and b is 5. Also in my other equation, I never used that other equation, sir. You should check and satisfy whether it is, you should check whether it is satisfying or not. A is 3. So 5 power 3 plus 1, it is 5 power 4. Plus b is 5. 2 power 5 minus 3 is 2 power 3. 5 power 4 is 625. 2 power 3 is 8. 625 plus 8 is 633, which is what I have on my right hand side. Because a and b values are satisfying both my equations, those are my actual values. A plus b will be equal to 5 plus 3, 8. Beautiful way of solving. I see some of the textbooks using this stupid methodologies, dividing one by the other and wasting their time to the greatest extent. Don't divide and waste your time. Simply use a and a values to check whether b value is a power of 2 or not. And if it is satisfying, that should be more or less your answer, your values of a and b. Cross check in other equation. If it is satisfying, definitely they are values of a and b. So a plus b, find it out from there very easily. I believe the idea is clear, sir.